What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to Universal Studios. Today, we are going to go venture into Adventures Islands. So early. So I haven't had coffee yet. We're going to meet our friend Kim at Starbucks. I need to drink some coffee, but we are adventuring into Islands of Adventure so that we can try and ride Hagrid's because it opens up at 9 o'clock today.
Yes. We haven't been back in a while.
We haven't, and this is Labor Day weekend.
It is.
Which means that it's Monday. Could be extremely busy, but hopefully Hurricane Dorian is keeping away the crowds. A lot of people cut their trip short, so hopefully we can ride it with a very minimal wait. Maybe ride it twice. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
I can't wait.
Let's do it. So in case anybody ever wants to buy me a cup of coffee, I take a grande cafe mocha.
Perfect.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Hot with no whipped cream. Now, what I did not know is that I knew that it's made with espresso. I didn't know that it already came with 2 shots of espresso. I all decided I got it for 3. But one thing that's really cool about here in City Walk is that if you have an annual pass, they give you a discount here. Compared to in Disney, you don't get any discount with your annual passes inside of Starbucks for food and drink. So it's a nice little added perk here. I like it. Alright, so we are making our way over to Islands of Adventure to hopefully ride Hagrid. It is supposed to be opening up at 9 o'clock with the park, so we're going to find out and see if it actually opens. It's going to be really disappointing if it doesn't. But hey, what are you going to do? We'll just ride something else. So we have made it into the line for Hagrid's, and it is now starting to rain, which is not good. It's not good at all. Hopefully it doesn't shut it down too much. They were trying to tell us it's at like
We're first timers here.
We are. They were trying to tell us about an hour wait. I don't think that it's really that long, but it might be now with this rain coming in.
Hopefully it blows over. Hopefully.
So, but hey, we at least made it into the queue line, which is very similar to what it used to be. So, pretty exciting.
Dead clever and useful they are.
Woo!
Off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest.
Whoa! Woo!
We'll have to round up the streets before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
There's no need for that. We should probably head back.
He's legit.
Yeah, he is. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Galloping, go! Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest. Just
Yeah!
oh, and don't mind Floppy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Worse than his bikes. No, don't.
Oh.
I'll just
Woo!
looks like
Oh, yeah! Woo!
I've got you. Don't worry. Repairing.
Woo!
Sorry.
Yeah!
Never
Whoa!
watched my shakes and magic.
Oh, man.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snares. Repeat, Lumos Salem after me. Lumos Salem.
Oh, man.
That was close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons.
Woo!
Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Is that it?
This was
Merlin's beard
That
did seem
was
to fix it.
awesome.
Screw.
That drop scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh.
And I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any.
Wow, so we just got off of Hagrid's, which was really, really cool.
It was awesome.
I have mixed emotions right now.
I was just gonna say, when we were walking out through like the exit, Josh said that he had mixed emotions about what is the best ride in Orlando right now.
Quick pause. We are!
Oh God.
We,
They don't care.
I was just let down.
That was so embarrassing.
I saw another.
I have a secondhand embarrassment right now.
He was wearing a Penn State hat, but he didn't hear me.
No.
Anyways, yeah, I have mixed emotions. That was an amazing ride.
It really was.
Amazing attraction. Oh, it's
good.
definitely got to be the best roller coaster
Yeah.
in
Yep.
Orlando.
Those launches and the audio animatronics and there's some surprises in there.
And
I was not ready for that.
I mean, I still feel like an immersion of an attraction is probably still Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
But as far as like a roller coaster goes, this has got to be like the best one right now. Until maybe when Tron opens up in Magic Kingdom, I don't know. That's tough.
We still have a couple years.
Hagrid looks extremely real.
Yes. Oh, that audio animatronic is
Fluffy was like
fluffy.
Fluffy. They probably could have made Fluffy a little bit more realistic looking.
I still thought it was pretty good, but you do go past it kind of quick. So
You do. But oh man, that drop. Not to
The
spoil it
drop.
for anybody, but there's a legit drop.
you'll wait. Just wait. When you ride it, you'll know what drop we're talking about.
It was awesome. It was awesome.
I want to go again.
Go ahead.
You guys are never going to believe what's about to happen. I'm standing in front of River Adventure here in Jurassic Park, and Josh is going on this ride. If you don't know, you get wet. I'm ready.
I don't like getting wet at a park. So I gotta walk around like wet shorts on. Meh. Alright guys, well, this is gonna do it for us today at Universal.
Definitely an untraditional video of ours.
Very untraditional.
But we just kind of wanted to come over here and hang out. We hung out with our friends and finally got to ride Hagrid's for the first time.
What a great ride. What a great ride.
It really was. I can't wait to come back and do it again.
Now we have to go home and prep. Not really. We're gonna ride out this storm, baby. So let us know, have you guys had a chance to ride Hagrid's yet? Hagrid's.
Hag's ride.
Hagrid? I don't know.